In this video, I will show you how to easily rotate an image in Photoshop. So you can follow along with this file, watch.psd if you'd like, or just pull up any image that you want to, and I will show you how to rotate those images. So if you go up to the top, you can click on Image in the menu bar, and then you can go down to Image Rotation, and it gives us a couple different ways that we can rotate. We can do 180 degrees, 90 degrees clockwise, 90 degrees counterclockwise, arbitrary, flip canvas horizontal, and flip canvas vertical. So if we just pick 180 degrees, you will see that it has totally rotated this image. And if you just imagine that this was a photograph laying on a table and you spun it around 180 degrees, this is what you would end up with. The same goes with the 90-degree rotations. So 90-degree clockwise is going to spin it 90 degrees in the clockwise fashion. And if you know about clocks, clockwise is going in the normal fashion and counterclockwise is going in the opposite way. So if we wanted to rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise, it's going to spin it basically around this way 90 degrees. We can also go up and we can flip the canvas horizontally and vertically. This is a great way to mirror things. So if you need something mirrored, this is how you would do it. It's basically if you were to flip this around and see the image from behind, you would have this mirrored image here. That's flipping it horizontally. And then we can also flip the canvas vertically. And as you can see, it's not changing the pixel dimensions. This is actually a 1920 by 1279 pixel image. That's not changing. It's just the way that we're flipping this image around, and you could do any combination of these. You could rotate it 90 degrees clockwise and flip it horizontally and get an effect that way. And then finally, we can use an arbitrary number, which means we can punch in any number that we would like to rotate this image. So we can rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise, and maybe we do a 15-degree angle. We hit OK. It's going to rotate that image 15 degrees, but because we're rotating the canvas, it has to fill in the rest of the information for this size document. So when we rotate it, it actually will add in extra white space and extend the canvas for us. Now that may or may not be something that you want to do. You might want to actually rotate this image without adjusting the canvas. And we can do that with the transform tools, but for right now, this is just dealing strictly with editing the canvas or the image document here. Later on, I'll show you how we can use transform tools to rotate this around without adding that extended canvas there. So that's a quick and easy way for you to rotate your file or your image if you need to inside of Photoshop.